Hey friends! Welcome back to Learn with Emnet. Ever seen an avatar you love, but don't know the prompt used to create it? Today, I'll show you how to describe any avatar with the help of AI, and how to extract avatars or thumbnails from YouTube videos. Let's dive in.
First, go to youtube.com and find a video with a thumbnail you like. Click the three dots beside the video, then tap share to copy the link. Now, open your Chrome browser and search for YouTube thumbnail extractor. Click the first link. Paste the video URL, then hit Get Thumbnail Images. Just like that, you will see the thumbnail appear. Don't forget to download it. Yeah, I already have an avatar I want to use, but I use this as an example so you can see how to grab any thumbnail or avatar from YouTube. Let's head over to Leonardo AI, but feel free to use any AI sites that can describe images. Yeah, in Chrome, type in Leonardo AI and sign in. Click on Image and beside the Generate button, you will see an option that says Describe with AI. Click it, upload your avatar image and give it a second to analyze. Now, Leonardo has described the image. I will try generating something based on that description. Look, I got the hair, outfits, and background. Let me try another style, a 3D pizza avatar. I will upload that now. And the description says cartoon styled character, which makes sense. Let me generate. The AI gave me fun cartoon style results. Now I will head to ChatGPT to see how it describes the same avatar. Click the plus icon beside the chat box and upload your image. Then just ask ChatGPT to describe it. And here we go. It gave me a detailed breakdown of the avatar style, look, and even what it seems to be doing. This is super helpful, especially if you don't know the exact prompt used to create an avatar. Now you can analyze and recreate it easily using AI. You can copy the AI description and edit it in a document before using it to generate your own avatar. It helps keep things clear and personalized. And that is it. Now you know how to extract thumbnails, describe any avatar using AI, and even recreate the look. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Learn with Emnet. See you in the next one. Thank you and God bless you.